In today's lesson, we're going to talk about the atmosphere. We're going to focus on two essential questions. What is the atmosphere composed of and why it's important? So by the end of class today, you should be able to describe why the atmosphere is important and name and describe the gases that make up Earth's atmosphere. Throughout today's lesson, on the video, you will see a pencil on a slide. A pencil on a slide indicates that you will have to write notes in your notebook. If Miss Lee sees that you need more time in the video, she will pause it. Let's continue. Let's look at Earth's early atmosphere. Earth's first atmosphere was formed by gases produced from volcanoes. Those volcanoes gave out lots of water vapor, lots of carbon dioxide, and just a small amount of other gases. The early atmosphere did not contain any oxygen. The Earth was very hot. There were no oceans, but as the Earth cooled, the water vapor in the atmosphere condensed to form liquid water, and this liquid water then became the ocean. So we talked about early atmosphere, mostly carbon dioxide, very little oxygen. So what this means is that the carbon dioxide has been removed from the atmosphere and oxygen has been added to the atmosphere over time. And there were organisms that evolved on Earth that at first did not use or release that oxygen, but again, they evolved and they began to use photosynthesis. And this photosynthesis uses carbon dioxide to produce oxygen. And then eventually plants evolved, and some of them adapted to life on land. So gradually, more and more oxygen was added to the atmosphere. Okay, so now that we've looked at how Earth's atmosphere used to be, let's go ahead and start taking some notes on our current state of the atmosphere. In your notes on page 13, let's write, Earth's atmosphere is made of nitrogen, oxygen, argon, carbon dioxide, and other gases. It also includes particles of liquids and solids. Take a moment to add these to your notes. Again, if Miss Lee sees that you need more time, she will pause the video. Okay, so Earth's atmosphere is important to us. One, it keeps the Earth warm, contains the gases we need to survive. It protects us from UV rays, and it also protects us from meteoroids. Take a moment to add these to your notes on page 13. Again, if Miss Lee knows you need more time, she will pause the video. So let's look at the atmosphere today. The amounts of different gases in the atmosphere are shown in the pie chart and in the table. The atmosphere also contains water vapor, but this is not usually included because the amount changes depending on the weather. Okay. So Earth's atmosphere contains 78% nitrogen, 21% oxygen, 0.9% argon, 0.04% carbon dioxide, and traces of other gases such as methane. Take a moment to draw the table and the pie chart in your notes. So again, that's the table. And the pie chart. Be sure to label the nitrogen, other gases, and oxygen in your pie chart. Again, if Miss Lee sees you need more time, she will pause the video.